Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and recite poem on Independence Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. In India, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. On this occasion, various competitions are organized in school and colleges. You can prepare well with this poem for your competitions and performance in general. Let's get started. Today is India's big day. Today is India's big day. Louder and louder we say. Louder and louder we say. Our flag flies so high. Our flag flies so high. Proud and grand in the sky. Proud and grand in the sky. Saffron, white and green. Saffron, white and green. So pretty to be seen. So pretty to be seen. We love our nation. We love our nation. May it shine just like sun. May it shine just like sun. Our teachers tell stories. Our teachers tell stories. Of freedom and glories. Of freedom and glories. We learn about our heroes. We learn about our heroes. Who fought without fears. Who fought without fears. Let's be kind and share. Let's be kind and share. How much we care. How much we care. India's children are we. India's children are we. Happy, loving and free. Happy, loving and free. We dance and cheer. We dance and cheer. This special day each year. This special day each year. Independence Day is here. Independence Day is here. May India's spirit mature. May India's spirit mature.